Have you ever felt poor even though you have some money saved? You skip meals, you wear old clothes, and you kill your small desires just to see a number grow in your bank account. We're taught that saving is safety, but what if I told you that saving money is actually keeping you poor? There's a rule of nature. Water that stays still becomes poisonous. Water that flows brings life. Today's story of a young man named Noah will change how you treat your money forever. Listen closely. Noah was a hardworking man, but he lived in constant fear. He worked as a woodcutter. Every evening he earned 10 gold coins, but Noah was terrified of the future. What if I get sick? What if the rain comes? So he ate only dry bread. He wore thin clothes in the freezing winter. He took 9 coins and locked them in a heavy iron box under his bed. He only lived on 1 coin. The iron box grew heavy, but Noah grew weak. He had money, but he looked like a beggar. He thought he was building a fortress of safety, but actually, he was building a prison of fear. One winter, the cold was unbearable. Noah needed a warm coat, which cost 50 coins. He had the money in his box, but his mind said, "No, that is savings. You cannot touch it." So he slept in the cold. 2 days later, Noah fell terribly sick with a high fever. He could not work for 1 month. To survive and pay the doctor, he had to open his iron box. He spent not just 50, but 500 coins on medicines. His savings were gone. His health was gone. He sat by the river crying, "I saved everything, yet I lost everything. Why is life so cruel?" A wise traveling merchant saw Noah crying. Noah told him his story. "I saved for a rainy day, and the rain washed me away." The merchant smiled and pointed to the river. "Noah, look at this river. It gives water to the trees, the animals, and the village. And because it gives, fresh water always comes from the mountains. Now look at that small pond over there." Noah looked. The pond was dirty, green, and smelly. "That pond tries to hold the water," said the merchant. "It refuses to let it go, so the water dies. Money is like water. If you lock it up, it loses its energy. It becomes dead weight. Don't save to hide, save to build. Buy a better coat so you don't get sick. Buy a sharper axe so you can cut more wood." Noah understood. He had been a pond. That day he earned 10 coins. Instead of locking 9 away, he spent 5 coins to buy a warm coat. He felt strong. He slept well. The next day, because he was warm and energetic, he cut double the wood. He earned 20 coins. He used the extra money to buy a new sharp axe. With the sharp axe, he finished his work in half the time. Soon, Noah wasn't just working hard, he was working smart. He didn't have a heavy iron box anymore, but he had a strong body, a good home, and a flowing income. My friend, do not be a miser who dies rich but lives poor. Saving is good, but investing in yourself is better. Don't hide your money in a dark box. Let it flow. Use it to learn, to grow, and to improve your life. When you stop being afraid of losing money, you start attracting wealth. In this story, we learned the word hoarding. It means collecting and hiding things out of fear. Don't hoard. Live. If this story opened your eyes, subscribe for more.